morning, my students. How are you today? I hope you are doing well and great. So today's lesson is about, let's take the third lesson because the second one we have a song. We will do it later, okay? So now take out the third lesson in the 7th unit. The title is I love animals. So do I don't. But first, we have to revise the names of animals we have already did, okay? So we talked about frog, cow, duck, goat, lizard, sheep, spider, frog. Okay, now let's move to explain the title of the lesson. I love animals, so I do, I don't. What does it mean, so I do? Means yes, I love animals. If I say I don't, that's mean I don't love. No, I don't love, okay? So let's read the example. Okay, I love animals. Or instead of saying this, we can say I love cows. 1 cow, 2 cows. Great. I love spiders. I love lizards. I love frogs. I love goats. I love ducks. Great. Now, so do I means yes, I do. So do I. No, I don't. This is positive, and this is negative. Is it clear? Okay, good. Now, please take out your Pupil's book on page 50. Okay? So, here you have the first activity. So, listen and answers. Okay, here you have an audio script. I'm going to read it. So, toys in the toys box come alive. Walk and talk on the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, here we have Mary, Trevor, Monty. Okay, we have Mary, Trevor, and Monty. Mary says, Trevor, can I have the sheep, please? Let's put it here. Let's put it here, please. Sorry. Next to the cows, Trevor's. Here you are. Monty, oh, I love sheep. Ba, ba. So this is the sound of the voice of the sheep. Trevor, so do I. Means yes. Okay, Maskman. I don't. I love horses. Mary. So do I. So this is yes. Okay. Trevor. I don't. Horses are very big and they can kick. They can kick. Maskman. What now? What now? Monty. Let's put the goat under the tree. No. Monty, it can eat the flowers and I love flowers. Maskman, so do I. Trevor, flowers? Maskman, do you love flowers? Do you love flowers? Maskman, yes, I do. I can give them to Mary. Monty and Trevor says, oh. Because Maskman will give a flower to Mary, that's why Monty and Trevor say, oh, great. Okay, here, have a look on this picture, please. So here you have Maskman, Mary, Trevor, and Monty. Okay, great. So Maskman say, I love horses. And Mary says, so I do, means yes. And Trevor says, I don't, means no. Great. Okay, now, let's move to the 6th activity. Listen and repeat. Please listen and repeat after me, okay? Good. Monty, oh, I love sheep. Ba, ba. Trevor, So do I. Maskman, I love horses. Trevor, I don't. Okay, please, try to repeat all these expressions. Oh, I love sheep. So do I. I love horses. I don't. So do I means yes. I don't means no. I don't love. Okay? Now take out your activity book, please, on page 50. Okay, I'm going to read the question. This is activity 4. Write the words, listen and check. Write the words, listen and check. So, you listen, but here you have an audio script. Okay? Yes. Okay, in picture number 1, this one. You have an example. I love spiders. I love spiders. B, so do, and you look to the audio script. Good. So do I. Yes, you have to write I in this blank, in this place. Okay? Great. And so on. Second one. Here you have. Third one. Here you have. Good. And the last one, this one. I, goat, I, and here you have the audio script. Great. Now, let's move to the next activity. I'm going to read the question first. Draw your favorite animal. Draw your favorite animal. Here you have a blank. You draw your favorite animal, either frog, cow, duck, lizard, or so on, or something you like, your favorite one. So, here you have a question. What's your favorite animal? You write I love. For example, I write I love sheep. I love spider. Okay, you are free to write your favorite animal. Okay, please try to practice these activities and see you next time, inshallah.